Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield wipers. I'm going to be doing this on my 2007 Toyota Camry. I'm needing to replace these wipers. As you can see, this one is broken at the end here, the plastic trim, and you can see in lines on the windshield, it's just not cleaning properly. So it is time for some brand new wipers. So for the Toyota Camry, you're going to need a 24-inch wiper blade and also a 20-inch wiper blade. I also got the all-season wiper blade as I live in a country with lots of snow in it. I want it super durable. This is the first time getting this brand. The reason why I got this brand is because this wiper blades was on for super cheap at Walmart, a Walmart that was closing down. For a wiper blade, I recommend is the Bosch wiper blade, and those wiper blades will last forever. I had them on my car when I first got it, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna change the wiper blades, even though they're still fine. I changed them, and then I put those Bosch wiper blades on my girlfriend's car, and to this day, they are still working fantastic, and it's been 4 or 5 years of the wiper blades being used on her car, and I've already gone through a couple wiper blades. This one has a very similar design to the Bosch wiper blades. I'm gonna give this a go since they're super cheap. I just decided that I was gonna pick them up, but the way to install it are going to be the exact same way as the Bosch wiper blades. So the wiper blades are usually come with a universal fitment mount. Some brands don't have this, so just be careful. What you're looking for, you're going to be looking for the hook arm attachment, since that is how the Toyota Camry attaches the wiper blade to. So we're going to use this attachment in order to attach it to the vehicle. Now, for protecting my windshield, I put a blanket on the car, because once you get the wiper blade off of here, it's just going to be metal, so we don't want that smashing against the windshield. And I have seen it where someone has taken off their wiper blade and this springs back into the windshield and just shatters the windshield, and we definitely don't want to do that today. So because it's a J mount on here, all you need to do is you need to pull this, you just need to pull it backwards out of the J loop. Just like that. Super easy. Same thing for this one as well. All you need to do is you just pull it out of the J loop. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. We'll start with the 20-inch. It should be exactly the same. There's your universal mounts. And there's your wiper blade. Oh, and unfortunately this looks like it came off. The plastic protector. Now we are looking for this mount right here. Let's take a look. Yep. So already attached to this wiper blade is the J hook. So we will use this one. Alright, so we're gonna start on the passenger side since we opened up the 20-inch wiper blade. So what you need to do is you need to unbuckle this right here, and we are going to take it so that this inside, the hook is going to wrap it around here. Insert like that. You see how it nicely fits in there? And all you need to do is you pull up, you hear that click sound, and you snap this into place, and there you go. You have installed your 20-inch wiper blade. Alright, got a little bit of a different angle for you guys. So again, we got the bigger wiper blade, the 24-inch. I'm gonna unbuckle that. All you need to do is press on these two buttons right here where it says push. And we are going to install it. Same thing as on the other side. We're gonna put the hook into this slot right here. Slide it in. Just like that. And now all you need to do is pull up. And there you go. You've got that installed. You could hear a click there, and we're gonna push that in, and there we go. We got our wiper blades done. So I'm gonna take this blanket off. And make sure to take this plastic off right here. There you go. I'm gonna gently set this down. And nicely folds into the windshield. And again on this side, take the plastic off. And there you go. Now you have a new set of windshield wiper blades. All right, let's see it in action. Alright, one thing I did notice was that it left a really big smear right in the middle, which is something that we didn't want to have. I've cleaned the wiper blade and I've kind of cleaned the windshield. I kind of think that the windshield was just a little too dirty at the moment, so we'll give it another try and see if it does the same thing or not. Test number 2. So on closer inspection of the wiper blade, you can barely see it. It starts right there and it ends over here. There's a big gap. Well, not big, it's a small gap, but that's why there's streaks coming along on the windshield here. So that is, I should have gone for the Bosch wiper blades, but it is what it is, I guess. I guess I'll have to throw these ones out and get some Bosch wiper blades. So I actually went out and got another wiper blade, the Bosch Icon, the ones that I recommend. I only got the 24-inch one for the driver's side because the 20-inch for the auto drive brand seemed to be fine. And if you're going to be getting the Bosch Icon, you want the A series in order for it to fit on your vehicle. So let's open it up. So on the back here, it'll actually say it's for J-hooks, and it'll show you actually the instructions. So you pinch the top there, you unbuckle it, you put the J-hook in the slot, you snap it in the slot, and then you push back down the button there. All right, let's get this open. there you go. There's the Bosch wiper blade. Let's put it on. Alright, I'm going to be taking off this wiper blade. My windshield's a little wet, so I don't want to put the blanket on. I'm going to unbuckle this, snap it up just like that. I'm going to pinch the sides here, open it up. You want to slide it in through the gap there, and we want the J-hook to wrap around the plastic piece in the wiper blade. This one's a little more trickier, but you can see there, it's in. There wasn't an audible click, but when you tug it around, it's nice and firm in there. And then you just snap it back in place. Taking a closer look, there is no streaks in the middle compared to the other brand. So the Bosch wiper blade is expensive. It is on the premium side, but you're getting what your money is worth out of the product. English, not my suitable language, but yeah, I really recommend the Bosch one. It's like I've said, I've been on my girlfriend's car and it's lasted almost 5 years and it's still in her car currently, and still no streaks or anything. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you want to see more, please make sure to follow, and I'll be posting more videos on things I install on this vehicle. Thanks.